Alright, my recording crashed out again.
This is mine.
I'm not weird.
Yo, GoPro, you can only use free.
Here's one.
That's so scary.
Why did they add the stupid truck today?
Well, you've been so
Bro, pussy.
Where is the tech web? Where is the web?
What's that say?
Oh.
Are these like a couple more plastic stuff?
Oh, nothing in
Can someone
there.
give me soft belly snappers?
You gotta get it. Oh boy,
Why?
Fish.
Why do you need them? For my quest?
Did they add any new fish? Wait, what are these?
I need them
Ooh,
for my
no fishy.
quest on there.
Ooh, more new fishes. Oh my god.
Can anyone give me some soft belly snappers for my quest?
Why is he on land? Why is he on land? The reason why I'm in a private lobby, because people keep annoying me with the frickin' shark. And the shark doesn't look like he's locked onto me. And also there is new fish. So we're going to be catching fish and new crabs.